Living life, chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas, taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S,
Y'all, hey, it's your girl A. See, I already know what time it is. We came through with a colorful wig today, girl. Okay, listen, I haven't wore one of these in a minute, but when I tell y'all I tried to match it up to my shirt, girl, I tried to match it up with my shirt. Now listen, Dorsanee Hair is coming through with all the security. They gave y'all 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, an adjustable strap, and an adjustable removable elastic band. Girl, when they said your wig gonna stay on, they said your wig gonna stay on. Now this is the gray color, girl. I cannot believe I'm rocking this. I feel like I want to be a baddie. You know how that colorful hair go, girl? Now, when this came, I was really surprised because it came with thinned out sides, girl. It was bleached. I was really hesitant, but I was like, okay, girl, we gonna rock this. Now, listen, let me tell y'all something real quick. Now, y'all already know what I be saying about middle parts. They really not for me, and it just depends on the hairstyle. But here I go, really trying to make the best of a bad situation. What I mean by that is, in a few days, I'm gonna go ahead and redo the ending of this video because I really wasn't feeling the middle part. The middle part was giving me more or less trailer trash vibes. It was not looking good on me. And me personally, I don't really care for a middle part, depending on what the color and the style is. Now, so this right here, this gray, silver, blue color was not middle part ready. It wasn't for me. But before we get into all that, this is the part where you really need to pay attention. So as y'all see, I went ahead and parted directly over my ear right there because the wig is a little bit too big for my head and I want it to look natural as possible, even though it's colorful. So I do take my small pair of scissors and I cut directly into that part. And girl, listen, if you want to save the extra lace and hair, that's on you. Do what you please with it. I say save it. I got me a little bag full of all the extra hairs that I've done cut. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with them later on in life, but they gonna serve a purpose later on. So as you see, I did it again. I went ahead and repeated that same cutting on the opposite side. Now, girl, let me tell you about this hair. Did I forget to mention, because I know I did, it's 26 inches Brazilian body wave on a 13x4. Now, I really can't remember what the density is, so I'll definitely link that down below. But girl, when I tell you I was surprised that it came thinned out at the edges, I was surprised. But for this particular wig, we're going to have to do this the long way, meaning I'm going to have to do one side at a time when it comes to adhering the unit. Now, listen, it was sitting, but it wasn't fitting the way that I was hoping that it would. So this is where I take my time and do one side at a time when it comes to the hairspray. So that way it really holds down. Now, I told y'all this even New York hairspray, whatever you want to call it, I did pay $5 for that little can at the beauty supply store. Now, I am really starting to dig it, but not for doing sports and active wear and active sports like it claims to be, because honey, listen, I tried clothes on and that wig was lifting. So if you just gonna be sitting pretty at work, then the hairspray will work. But if you decide to go dancing or doing any time of vigorous movement, honey, you best to just wear your own natural hair, because this even hairspray is not gonna hold you down like they claim they want to. But for this wig tutorial, real, it definitely works. Now, y'all know how I feel when I talk about hairspray. I love my Aussie Insta-Free, so I definitely will be going back to that, okay? Once I use up all my products. I'm trying to use what I have in my own stash, okay? So we still gonna be cutting the lace off this unit. And as I tell y'all, this wig did come pretty cute. They got a whole lot of other colors on their website if you want something even more colorful and fun. Now, honey, listen, I'm trying my best to rock this colorful wig, but like I said, the middle part was not doing it for me. This long head does not require middle parts all the time, so I'm definitely gonna switch it up. You know you gotta switch it up sometimes. Now, did I forget to mention the lace is definitely Swiss, baby. The lace is serving when it needs to be served, which is giving scalpage and everything out. Now, listen, I was really trying to make do with this colorful middle part. But girl, y'all see, I'ma definitely come through with the side in a second. Now, as y'all know, I don't even know why I was lying about 2 days later, because, girl, this was like about 5 or 6. Now, as y'all see, honey, I'm going to be going ahead and using my Got To Be styling mousse. Girl, if you're trying to find this at any type of store, if you're looking at Walmart or any type of store for the styling foam, baby, you will not find it. When I tell you I done bought that styling foam like 6 years ago, I done bought that styling foam like 6 years ago. And guess where? From the Dollar Tree. Oh, yes, honey, when everything was $1. So I did stock my shopping cart up with the styling mousse, the hairspray, and the gel, all Got To Be. Now, I'm finally running out, and that's a brand new can, honey. That's why I said I'm going to use what I got in my stash. Because when I tell y'all I got a lot of different hair products in my stash, I got lots of hair products in my stash. And if y'all don't believe it, girl, listen, I can definitely give you a show and tell and show you everything I got. Yes, girl, that styling foam was 6 years old, and so is that Pump It Up spray that I just used. I love a good Pump It Up spray, girl. That stuff will freeze your hairstyle and your scalp if you allow it to. Now, as I stated, Dorsanee got all types of different colorful hair. So if you're looking for pink, gray, purple, blue, yellow, orange, they got you covered. And if you also looking for all the naturals like blonde, brown, black, they also got those too. Okay? Now, this is the first for me because I ain't worn no colorful wig in so long. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting up there in age and I don't really know. I'm thinking that I'm trying to do my best with this curly wig. With this colorful wig right here. I get kind of upset when the curls don't do what I want them to do. And this is just me being a little bit frustrated because I'm going to need every last curl to turn. There's no curls left behind, okay? When we curl, we curl. Now, did they layer this unit? Yes, they did. And they layered it real good. That's why a middle part is definitely sufficient. Girl, look at this. This hair is definitely cute. I love the hint of blue that it has in it. And it's giving me gray vibes, not granny salt and pepper vibes, but gray and icy, honey. Kind of looking like a storm here. Now, I don't know what the density is, but girl, I did say it's 26 inches. And I rocked her. Yes, baby. The middle part was not for me, but the side part is definitely me. I love a good swoop on the side. Honey, especially if it's a deep side part, baby, do it like it's your B-day, okay? Do it like you're born to slay. Listen, Dorsaneehair, and if I did pronounce their names wrong, girl, I apologize. I'm sorry. And y'all know I can mess up a name. But listen, check the description box. Follow the directions, the description box, and the links. Let me know what you think. I love y'all. Stay diva and divalicious. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. Thumbs the video up, y'all. Share it. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.